Those lists that you just saw when we created the ordered list and the unordered list, and the definition list may not look like familiar to you. They appear in certain web pages and websites, and you may have seen them. But if you're thinking, I just don't know if I actually use list very much, when you think about the web pages you visit, consider this example here. Here, from our fictional Carved Rock website, you don't see anything that maybe appears to be a list, but actually, most of this page is probably created within list and list items. From the navigation at the top, with links to the different categories, to the pictures on the left side, the thumbnails that let you pick the highlighted picture, the color swatches is probably a list of those images, are those boxes with colors, and those customers also viewed items at the bottom is probably also a list of items. In this case, a much richer list with a particular sum text. That's a clickable link to that particular product. As I mentioned, lists are really about the semantics of items that are grouped together and kept together. But the display of those lists can be controlled through style sheets. So while the default display is a bulleted list or numbered list, for example, you can apply styles to get the content that you see on this page. Let's look as an example with our coffee page for recipes.